I want to show you my lime tree. There's my baby lime right there. There's one more somewhere. I turned the tree the other day because I didn't want to get broken. I can't remember where it's at. There's one more, but there's also some more here. And there's gonna be another one here. You can see how little it is. Right there's a baby one. Oh, here's one. Here, where'd it go? I can't tell where I'm at in the camera. It's under my hand. There we go. I'm so excited. I just planted it last year. I think there's one more somewhere. And I just have it in this pot right now. I'm gonna get a bigger pot eventually. I wanna get the Vigo like this. This one has my cactus in it. This is for a cactus. But I'm gonna get one that just has the bottom part there. I'm so excited to have my own limes. And not live in a tropical place. Oh, here's two right here. I don't think I saw those. Well, there's that one, but there's another one there. It's on the other side of that one. So exciting. So I got four that I see already, and then there should be like several more with the flowers. So excited.